coupons grab attention. Paired with a personalized email, you could be looking at 6 times more transactions than with generic email. And automating the process can reduce the effort and increase efficiency by many a mile. Let's talk about FluentCRM's brand new dynamic WooCommerce coupon action that is all set to make things easier. You can create coupons on the go, personalize them, and generate more sales. To get things rolling, open the automation you want to run and hit the plus icon to uncover all the actions. With the WooCommerce plugin installed, you can readily spot the Create Coupons action there. Select it, and the options to choose a coupon configuration type will be there. You can either configure it from scratch or use an existing coupon to seal the deal. I am going with Configure from scratch just to make things more convenient for you. Once you hit Continue, you'll move to the fun part, customization. Simply add a prefix for your coupon code, and FluentCRM will automatically generate a random suffix. This simplifies the process by automatically creating unique coupon codes for you. Setting the discount type is also very easy. You can set the discount as a percentage, a fixed amount for the entire cart, or for a specific top-selling product. Let's go with the percentage discount and set the amount. Then comes the coupon expiry parts. Whether you're planning a special offer for Christmas, New Year, or Valentine's Day, you can either select a specific end date or define how many days after creation the coupon will expire. Never expire options will keep your coupons always on the go. Want to offer free shipping? Simply switch the button from No to Yes to include it with the order. Ticking the checkbox will restrict the coupon to your contacts only. And it's time to explore the impressive restrictions and limits. You can specify a minimum spend to activate the coupon and a maximum spend threshold. Additionally, you can include or exclude products and categories to streamline the process. The limits allow you to control coupon usage, item-specific limits, and even set limits per user. If you're in a rush or need to reuse previously created marketing coupons, you need to use existing coupons as template. After that, just select the template, add your prefix, and hit save. FluentCRM takes care of the rest. And that's it. Save the settings and you've just set up a fully customized coupon with FluentCRM. Now you can copy the shortcode and paste it into the email and you're done. So why just send an email when it can be a personalized offer? A coupon just for them, with a heartfelt message thanking them for being a valued customer. Boost your sales, create personalized communication, and grab FluentCRM to take your email marketing to a whole new level.